This is my tomato chili prawn dish. Traditionally for the Chinese New Year dinner, we would have multiple dishes. One of the dishes would be a prawn dish. So let's start with marinating the prawns. In a bowl, marinate the prawns with soy sauce, Chinese rice wine, sesame oil, sugar, white pepper, and corn flour. Set aside. Now it's time to mix up the sauce. The good thing about this is that you can make it as spicy as you want, or you can leave out the chilies. In a bowl, mix together tomato paste, sugar, salt, soy sauce, Chinese rice wine, Worcester sauce, Jinjiang vinegar, chili sauce, and water. Heat some oil in a pan and add half the minced garlic and the marinated prawns. Stir fry for 1 minute until half cooked and the prawns have turned in colour. Set aside. To the pan, heat some more oil. Add a bit more garlic and the onion. Cook the onion until it's just softened. Next, add the tomatoes and let them cook down a bit. Now add the sauce. Further cook for 1 minute on medium heat. Return the prawns to the pan along with some chili. Stir fry until the prawns are cooked through. Right at the end, stir in the scallions. In Cantonese, prawn is pronounced ha. We have a saying called siu ha ha, which means smiling and laughing. So a lot of people would like to eat a prawn dish during the Chinese New Year to symbolize laughter and joy in the coming year. Serve on a bed of rice, garnished with scallion, coriander, and sesame seeds. So I hope you really enjoy this dish. See you. Ha ha!